Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today we are frying green peas. When there is a surplus of green peas in the market and they are available at lower prices, that's the best time to buy them in bulk and enjoy them in the early evening or late afternoon. Turn on the stove and add oil to heated tawa. Add green peas as per serving. Add salt for taste. Stir so that salt mixes well. Let the peas heat well and continue stirring. In few minutes we will see color change to brownish. It's time to turn off the gas stove. The tasty tender green peas is ready to be served. You will love the most in rainy and winter season the most. Remember, it has plant-based protein and good fiber and helps in digestive, heart and immune support. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for such videos, share it with your friends and family. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.